Today I am going to show you how you can hide all Facebook photos at once. So let's get start the video. Here I am going to open my Facebook account, and once I open my Facebook account, now I will click on the profile icon at the top right corner. After that, here at this interface I will scroll down and go to the settings and privacy option. Here I am going to again click on the settings option, and once I am there, now I will scroll down and go to the audience and visibility section. Then here I will click on the post section or post option. Now here, as you can see, these two options will appear and I will select on the top option. After that, I will select the privacy of this option and I will click on the only me or friends option. Here you can also select your specific friends to whom you want to show your posts or pictures. Here, as you can see, Facebook also showing me an option to limit my past posts. To change the visibility of my past post, I will click on the limit past post option at the bottom. After that, my all posts will be hidden from other people. So this was how you can hide all Facebook photos at once.